If you are wondering if Google Pixel 10a has a memory card slot, then the answer is unfortunately no. Over here, we only have one SIM card slot available on the SIM tray of Google Pixel 10a. So here we have the SIM card slot that we can use, and on the reverse side there is nothing, like nothing at all. We cannot insert another SIM card, we cannot use a memory card whatsoever, at least not in this way. As you can see, the SIM card, sorry, not the SIM card, the memory card, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. There is no way to insert it. And the only way to actually use a microSD card with Google Pixel 10a is by using a memory card reader, which of course is really inconvenient to use on a daily basis. There are smaller memory card readers than this one. This one is quite huge because it has 3 slots. Usually you can also find a microSD card reader, and only with microSD card slot. And if you have the USB-C cable, then you should be able to connect it to the phone with your memory card inserted in here into the memory card reader. So this is the only way to actually use it on Google Pixel 10a. Of course, on a daily basis, you don't really want to walk around with this accessory, so it is mostly used only in situations when you want to simply transfer files from the memory card storage to the phone storage, or the other way around. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.